To protect abortion rights here in Michigan as the nation waits for a Supreme Court decision on Roe v. Wade, the landmark case protecting abortion rights. Governor Gretchen Whitmer and Planned Parenthood of Michigan suing to overturn the state's decades-old ban on abortions.
If the landmark case is overturned or weakened, that ban could go back into effect. But as TV5's Raven Blue reports, Attorney General Dana Nessel and local county prosecutors have no objections.
I will take no part in driving women back into the dark ages and into the back alleys.
In a virtual press conference on Thursday, Attorney General Dana Nessel vowed she would not defend Michigan's 1931 abortion law, which makes abortion a felony for anyone administering the procedure or drug to produce a miscarriage, in all cases except when abortion is necessary to save the mother's life.
4 years ago, when I ran for the office of Michigan Attorney General, I did so with the understanding that one day soon, this day would come. I vowed then, as I do now, to never utilize this outdated, dangerous, cruel law to prosecute women and their doctors.
This announcement comes as Governor Whitmer joins a movement of Democratic governors across the country bracing for decisions about abortion access to be left to states for the first time in more than 50 years. Genesee County Prosecutor David Layton and 6 other county prosecutors agree with the governor's decision.
Roe versus Wade, of course, made the law moot. But now with the potentiality of the United States Supreme Court in the case of Mississippi versus Dodds, eroding Roe v. Wade, it could come back into play.
Layton says he believes the law is unconstitutional.
When this law was passed, there were no women serving in the Michigan legislature. This law was passed in a totally different time, totally different circumstances.
This law is dangerous. This law effectively strips women of their dignity and bodily autonomy, and in some cases, of their lives.
In response to the governor's lawsuit, Right to Life of Michigan President Barbara Listing issued the following statement. This is a frivolous lawsuit that should be immediately dismissed by the Michigan Supreme Court. Governor Whitmer is ignoring the voices of Michiganders by bypassing all lower courts and court precedent, just as the Supreme Court did when they decided on Roe v. Wade. Raven Blue, WNEM TV5.
The state law, which is still on the books, is currently not in effect because the federal 1973 ruling in Roe v. Wade supersedes it. Now, if Roe v. Wade is overturned, it would automatically take effect.